Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to go over my top 10 tips for beginners on how to better manage your blood sugar levels. Getting started with balancing your blood glucose, or blood sugar, can be confusing, but these strategies will set you on the right track to gaining control over your health. Tip 1. Test regularly. First, you need to know your baseline blood sugar levels. Test when waking up, before meals, after meals, and before bed so you can pinpoint patterns and problem times. Tip 2. Eat a balanced diet. Focus your diet on lean proteins, high fiber carbs like vegetables and whole grains, and healthy fats from nuts and oils. Avoid simple sugars and processed carbs that spike blood sugar. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water prevents dehydration, which negatively impacts blood sugar control. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Tip 4. Exercise. Aim for 30 minutes of activity, like brisk walking at least 5 days per week, to improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Tip 5. Take medications. If prescribed, take medications as directed to help balance blood sugar, whether it's insulin, metformin, or other drugs. Tip 6. Reduce stress. Chronic stress raises blood sugar over time. Practice meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to relax. Get enough sleep nightly. Tip 7. Portion control. Be mindful of carb portion sizes at meals to prevent blood sugar spikes. Limit refined carbs to 1/4 of your plate. Tip 8. Check your feet. Inspect feet daily to catch any nerve damage or sores related to high blood sugar early. Get foot exams at the doctor. Tip 9. Monitoring technology. Use a continuous glucose monitor or blood sugar log app to identify patterns and create a targeted treatment plan. Tip 10. See your doctor. Have regular A1C tests to assess average blood sugar levels and make adjustments as needed. By following these basic tips, you can take control of your blood sugar management right away. Let me know if you have any other questions.